Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. There is another video in Engineers in Progress, particularly on problems about lines and circles combined, tangents to circles. So I hope that this video will help you improve your thinking skills in mathematics needed for brilliant minds, in engineering preparations. There are two exercises here. So answer the following questions. Part A, find an equation of the tangent to the circle quantity x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equals 0. This is a circle because the coefficients of the second degree terms rather are equal, and each is 1. At the point -4, 6. And B, find the equation of the tangents of slope 4/3 to the circle x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 4 equals 0. So for part A, let's transform this to standard form. Although the center is -1/2 of 2, so 1, and -1/2 of -4, 2. So -1, comma, +2, that's the center. And the radius is 1/2 of square root of 2 square. So quantity is 2 square, which is 4 plus -4 squares, -4 quantity square, so that's 20, minus 4 times -20, so that's 20 plus 80, 100, square root of 110, divided by 2, so the radius is 5, if you want the shortcut formula. But if we transform this to standard form, the better. Let's complete the squares in x and in y. So quantity x plus 2x plus 1, x squared plus 2x plus 1, where 1 is 1/2 of 2 quantity squared, plus quantity y squared minus 4y plus 4, where 4 is 1/2 of -4, which is -2, then square, so 4, equals 20, transpose -20 to the right, then we add 1 and 4, so plus 1 and 4. So this is x plus 1 squared plus quantity y minus 2 squared equals 25, and 25 is 5 squared. So the center is indeed at -1, comma, +2, and the radius is 5. So let's sketch it on the graph. Let's graph this. Sketch the graph of the circle and the points of tangency and the tangent. Let's show it. So center 1, 2, radius is 5. Take note that the graduation is by 2's. Then the point -4, 6 is here, and that's the tangent there. Then from there, because there is point of tangency, we can connect the center and the point of tangency, which is the radial line or the radius, and the radius is, remember, perpendicular to the tangent. So the slope of the radius, therefore, is quantity 6 minus 2 all over -4 minus -1. So MR is 6 minus 2 over -4 minus -1. So it is 4 over -3 or -4/3. If the slope of the radial line is -4/3, the slope of the tangent is the negative reciprocal of -4/3. So the negative reciprocal of -4/3 is +3/4. And if the slope of the line is 3/4, the expected equation would be 3x minus 4y. Remember, the slope is negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So it should be 3x minus 4y. So that the slope is -3 over -4, so 3/4. The expected equation is 3x minus 4y equals 3x1, then plus b plus -4 times y1, where x1 is -4 and y1 is 6 because the tangent passes through that point. So the equation of the tangent can now be determined. It is 3x minus 4y equals negative 12 and negative 24, negative 36. So 3x minus 4y equals negative 36. That's the equation of the tangent. Another way is we use the technique by replacing x squared into x1, y squared into y1, where x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point of tangency. Then x is average 1/2 of quantity x1 plus 1/2 of quantity x plus x1. Y is 1/2 of quantity y plus y1. So let's show that the answer is the same using that technique. X1 plus y1 plus 2 times 1/2 of quantity x plus x1 minus 4 times quantity 1/2 of quantity y plus y1 minus 20 equals 0. So let's substitute the value of x1, which is negative 4, and y1, which is 6. So x times negative 4 plus y times 6 plus this is 2 times 1/2, so 1. So quantity x plus negative 4 or x minus 4 minus 2 times quantity y plus 6 minus 20 equals 0. Simplifying. So we have negative 4x plus 6y plus x minus 4 minus 2y minus 12 minus 20 equals 0. Combining like terms, negative 3x, 6y minus 2y is plus 4y. Then negative 4 minus 12 minus 30 is negative 36. So negative 3x plus 4y minus 36 equals 0. And rewriting this equation into that form, so 3x minus 4y equals negative 36. So it's the same. We proceed to B. Let's complete the square to find the center and the radius of the circle. Though the center is negative 1/2 of negative 4, so 2, negative 1/2 of 6, negative 3. 2 comma negative 3. And the radius is 1/2 of quantity 4 square, which is 16, plus 6 square, which is 36, plus 16, 52. Minus 4 times 4 minus 52 minus 16 is 36. Then 1/2 of square root of 36 is 3. The radius is 3. Center 2 comma negative 3. Let's complete the square. Another technique so that you cannot forget. By the way, this is the expected equation of the tangent because the slope is given. Positive 4/3. So the expected equation is 4x minus 3y. So if the slope is positive, then the sign between the terms would be negative. If the slope is negative, the sign between the terms is positive. So 4x minus 3y plus constant equals 0. That's the expected equation. The constant can be found by the formula distance from the center of the circle to the tangent line. So x squared minus 4x plus 4 by completing square plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals negative 4 plus 4 plus 9. So that's why x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 3 squared. So the center is indeed at 2 comma negative 3 and the radius is 3. So having found the center and the radius, distance formula, distance from a point to a line is, distance is ax1 plus by1 plus c over square root of a squared plus b squared. So the distance is plus minus 3 because there are two tangents above the center and below the center. So the distance would be plus minus 3. This is the distance formula. Ax1 plus by1 plus c over square root of a squared plus b squared, where a is 4 and b is negative 3. So substitute plus minus 3 equals 4 times center coordinate 2 plus b, which is negative 3, times y coordinate of center negative 3 plus constant over square root of 4 square plus 3 square. So plus minus 15 equals 8 plus 9, 17 plus c. So C is, if we use positive sign here, 15 minus 17 is negative 2. So C is negative 2. Or if negative 15, minus 17, negative 32. So C is negative 2 or negative 32. Therefore, the equations of the tangents would be 4x minus 3y minus 2 equals 0. And the other one is 4x minus 3y minus 32 equals 0. So that's it for this video. I hope that you were able to follow the explanations and the solutions.